Hello, my name is Jamie. I'm going to be walking you through this KGM, formerly SsangYong Rebel Musso. An impressive value for money vehicle in front of us today. KGM now it's called, out of South Korea. Impressive spec. Got reverse camera, alloys, a deep load bay as well. Leather throughout. 5 seats. Isofix on the rear too. We've got very fast windows. Heated seats, hot and cold. Fantastic touchscreen infotainment system. Cruise control, heated steering wheel. An impressive vehicle for the money. Coming in at just £25,500 for a 24 plate done 6,000 miles. There is not much more value on the market than one of these today. I can tell you that for a fact. You'll have to come and see this for yourself, but the build quality is absolutely superb for the money. I'll give you a good door test. Solid, not much rattle. Reversing camera. You've got 360 parking imagery as well, which is a nice touch. But a lot of the driver connectivity will be done through this screen right here. And that does offer you a lot of value for the money. Nothing to report in the underarm storage. But everything just has a real nice finish to it. Nice plush seats, very, very comfortable. Not electric, however, once you've got your position, you should be okay. This vehicle is available at Anchor 4x4 or visit our website anchorvans.co.uk/Anchor 4x4 and you'll find all of our stock here, all 20 plus vehicles ready to go. See you soon.